I had a cataract surgery of the left eye, and they implanted a regular lens. I forgot what it is, and they had a correction for my astigmatism, and both the lens and the astigmatism correction has worked extremely well. The actual surgery was extremely easy. I was amazed at how easy the surgery was. And the second part is the results were amazing. I mean, I can see this eye, my left eye is amazing. I went on a trip and I can see perfectly well. Like, the eye, the colors were amazing, the results were amazing. And it's so easy to do. And that's the great part about it.
Tell me specifically about your hobbies and why it made an impact for you because of what hobbies.
Yeah, the reason I came to see Dr. Shomer is because I do a lot of photography. And I was doing a photographic shoot and I couldn't tell whether the pictures were in focus or not. And he said, there's something wrong. So I came to Dr. Shomer to figure out that it was cataracts. And I said the results were, I just went to a trip to Antarctica, amazing results, beautiful views. I can't say more than, I can't put it in words how great I feel.